Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing all clips into the media pool and creating a new timeline that matches your project settings. Once done, set the timeline resolution and frame rate so everything scales predictably. Make sure to enable the viewer overlays and the inspector panel. They let you position and scale each clip precisely. Now place your first clip on V1, then add subsequent clips to higher video tracks. This gets you immediately into layout adjustments, without wasting time on trivial setup. Now you'll adjust scale and position for each clip using the inspector zoom and position X/Y controls. This is how you create multiple screen layouts. Once done with one clip, copy attributes to others or nudge positions with the on-screen transform controls so edges align perfectly. If you have repeating layouts, select clips and make a compound clip to preserve layout and apply effects universally. Make sure to use snapping to guides for consistent gutters and make small tweaks until the layout reads clean on playback. Finish by applying consistent color correction across screens, either copy and paste grades or apply a shared node to a compound clip. Once done, add subtle borders or drop shadows from OpenFX to separate frames visually and adjust audio tracks so dialogue mixes correctly. If things go wrong, make sure your scaling interpolation is set to smooth and enable render cache for heavy effects. Mismatched resolution or disabled cache often causes stutter or aliasing. Export a short test to confirm the final output looks sharp and synchronized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.